Oh my god, it's grabbing. Well, that didn't go as planned. And to give you a little explanation on why and how crimping works, here's how my brain understands it. Initially, the wig fibers, the little bitty plastic hairs, they start out shaped more like straws. With them being circular, they more easily swivel around each other and get tangled. Therefore, adding heat and flattening them out makes them shaped more like popsicle sticks. It's a lot harder to shuffle them around, and they're made to be a lot more stackable like building blocks. Then, by adding the crimping to it, on top of flattening them out with heat, you get these little steps. That step-style shape, it allows the fibers to nestle into each other kind of like Lincoln logs. Who else is that nerd who played with those when you were a kid? And even though crimping can give you some irregular shapes on occasion, they can still nestle into each other and be less likely to move around each other and get tangled because they fit together rather than swiveling around each other and getting tangled. Then I decided the crimping was a little too intense, so I moved on to the flat iron. Very lightly using the flat iron so that it would take some of the crimp out since Grell has such beautiful long straight hair, but leaving just enough in so we still have that step ladder situation and the fibers are less likely to get tangled. I left more of a crimping texture for the fibers that would be laying along my back because people wouldn't be seeing those as much, as well as that's where the hair would be getting the most friction, with it being rubbing up against my back as well as my backpack being on my back.